So in this video, I'll be showing you how to change your username or your gaming name in Webwins Meet. Now all you need to do is simply open up the menu and then click on your profile. Once you've clicked on your profile, click on this profile icon here to switch to that section and then select Edit Profile. From here, you should see the option Name, select that. Now all you need to do is enter in the new name that you're going to use. And once you've done that, you will also need a rename certificate. Now, if you don't have a certificate already owned, you can always just hover over the certificate and then select Jianghu Treasure Shops. Once you've done that, it will take you to the treasure shop and it will allow you to purchase that specific ticket. So here we are. Look for your ticket from here. And as you can see, it costs 300 pearls. So once you have your 300 pearls, you can select this ticket and you can rename your character. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.